Project 1 Media Lab. For my memoir, I chose the memory of my family and I moving from Houston, Texas to Los Alamos, New Mexico. In Texas, I lived there for 12 years. I loved the environment I had, the people, the traditions my family had. It felt like I belonged there. Once I moved to Los Alamos, I settled in during the summer and started the new school year in the fall. I was in 7th grade. I went through 5 years of living here, jumping from one friend group to the other, never truly sensing that I belonged with them. Until my junior year, when I started to drive, I found one of my passions and a group of friends who I connected with over my passion. We all love vehicles, we love to go off-roading, we love to go on trails, we love the wilderness. It truly felt like I found where I belonged and who I wanted in my life. The topic of my memoir is moving to Los Alamos and trying to find my passion. The theme I'm trying to reveal is change happens for a reason, and to use the change to lead to positive aspects in your life. The big change in my life was moving from Texas to Los Alamos and not truly understanding how I belong in Los Alamos until I found the passion of driving. The picture on the left at the bottom is the first Jeep I ever owned. It was the 2012 Jeep Compass Latitude. The picture in the middle is the vehicle I own now, which is a 2002 Jeep Wrangler TJ. And the picture off to the right is my very first Jeep and my friends as well. These are another 2 pictures of my Jeep. The purpose and goals of my memoir. I chose this story for my memoir because it was a big change in my life, and at the beginning, I wasn't ready for it. And looking back, after living in New Mexico for 6 years, it's truly a positive thing, a positive change for me now. In the beginning, it was negative, but now I understand why I have moved here. The goal I'm trying to reveal is my theme, and using my theme to fulfill your life with happiness, growing as a person, finding passions, and let you pursue the life you deserve.